Hey, it's New Mexico attorney Nadia Cabrera-Mazio with Honest Contracts LLC. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and joining our monthly newsletter for legal nuggets in your inbox. Today we're talking about how to use a DBA in New Mexico. A lot of states do require you register your DBA with the state, but New Mexico does not. So how to use a DBA in New Mexico? You basically just start doing business under that name. No registration required. Do keep in mind when you're choosing a DBA or choosing to do business in New Mexico under an existing DBA that the DBA should not be misleading. It should not look like a legal business name if it isn't one, so it shouldn't have LLC or Inc. in the name. It shouldn't be too similar to a business name that's already in use in New Mexico. And you should make sure that the DBA doesn't make the business look like it's a different type of business than it actually is. So that's basically it. No DBA registration required in New Mexico.